If you don't know this already, having an email list in your online business is critical. No matter what you do, you want to have an email list because you can make really good money from that email list. And in fact, most businesses, or all the businesses that I know, including myself, our email list is our best asset. So in this video, what I want to do is show you how you can get your first 1,000 emails or even grow your existing email lists using a method that I've been using recently, grow my email list fast and efficiently. This is going to be a really good video, and I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can do this. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you kind of like a top secret thing that I've been using in my business, and this is what I've been doing to get more leads and increase sales. So not only are you going to be learning how to get your first 1,000 email subscribers, the way that we're going to be doing this is you can increase sales, your quality of the leads are much higher, and it's overall is just a better process in your online business. So whether you are building your first email list or your second one, or you're growing your email list, this is the video for you. And in this video, I'm going to give you a free tool to use at the end of this video. So make sure you stay to that. I'm going to give you a free PDF and also some free pages that you can use after this video. Now, before we move on, we are going to be doing the giveaway once again. If you want to get access to every single one of my courses, what you need to do is find the emoji in this video. Once you find that emoji, smash that like button and then comment that emoji below, and we pick a winner every single video. So if you have won, we will announce that in the next video in the comment section, and we will let you know in this comment section to contact us. So do that right now if you want access to every single one of my courses. Now, this method can be used if you have an e-commerce store, you're doing affiliate marketing, you sell information products like courses, you do social media marketing, you have a blog, pretty much do anything online, you can use this strategy, okay? It works a little bit different for every single one, but we will explain all of that in this video. So the first question that I get all the time is, why do you need an email list? So if you don't know what an email list is and how it works, essentially what you do in your business, you might have seen them on blogs or pages or e-commerce stores. You send people to a specific page or like a blog post or somewhere online, and you collect their email, right? They give you their email. You've probably given your email to some of these people. And what you do is you create a list of these emails. Now, the reason why you want to do that is because this is how you grow your clients online. Like, people will buy from you, then they'll keep buying from you as time goes on. So let's say you have an e-commerce store and you want to send out some promotions, like some deals, weekend deals or Black Friday deals, and you can let them know that these deals are live, right? So we've made a lot of money with email marketing, and this is why you have to have an email list. And pretty much every single business online, if they don't, they should. They have an email list. But the trick is, right, there's actually a trick to doing this, and I've been doing this for many years, is how do you do this fast and efficiently? So there's a slow way that you can do it, and a lot of people do the slow way and they give up because it takes too long. But how can you do this fast and efficiently? And more importantly, there is a big problem with collecting leads and emails that a lot of people don't actually realize. So right here, this is how many emails are on this particular list. And we sent out these emails, and this percentage over here is how many people opened the emails. Now, this is just from my email account. 5, 6, and 6% is terrible. Now, this is a big problem with email marketing and stuff. What a lot of people get discouraged from is they get really bad quality leads, emails. So a lead is an email. And there's a lot of reasons why. One of the main reasons why is because what we do is we go out and we just say, hey, give us your email. Here's a book or here's something for free. Give us your email. And although this works extremely well, sometimes, a lot of the times actually, you can get low quality leads. So it can be bad. Now, from the method that I've been doing, like probably the last 6-7 months, is this is a test that we did. So 1,400 leads, 1,300 leads. The open rates around about 41%, 43%. We've had 20%. We've had 12%. We've had all the way up to like 50, 60%, because we are doing something in between collecting those emails that is giving us qualified emails, okay? Not just like inactive subscribers, email subscribers. You want active email subscribers. So what am I doing to actually get the open rates up and keeping people engaged? Remember, the more high quality that lead is, the more chance that there is they're going to buy something from you and open your future emails. Okay, so essentially, if you put a bit more work in collecting quality leads, that's going to pay off later on because they are active quality leads that want to open your stuff because you have pre-qualified them to do that. Let me explain to you how that works. So what you want to be doing, and what we've been doing for a long time now, is you want to have something in between called a quiz. And what you can do with these quizzes is you can ask people a series of questions and then collect their email afterwards. Now, this is really important because it weeds out the people that are like not interested in you or interested in your product or anything like that, right? These people that go through the quiz stage, it can be a big quiz or a small quiz, once they get to the email, they are going to want to put in their email, right? Because they've gone through that entire process. So you can get cheaper leads and better quality leads. Now, let me show you some examples here of what I'm talking about. So this is a website here. If we click take the quiz, there is a process that we can go through right here. So he's got a video here, and then we can go to next, and there is a quiz that we can take. Now, at the end of this quiz, right, I'm not going to go through this whole thing, but there would be an email section that we would put our email in. Here's another one right here. Get some free funnels. Look at this here. You click, so essentially, let me do that again. So essentially what he's asking for, I think I have to refresh that. So essentially what he's asking for is, for this particular funnel, are you looking to sell one main product, service, or sell multiple products? So one product. And then they ask us more questions, and then more questions, e-commerce, local business, and then more questions, and then more questions, more questions, more questions. Now, some quizzes can be one question or multiple questions. But when we get to the end here, they ask for my email. So now I'm really invested in this company or this business or whatever they're doing, and I'm probably high chance I'm going to put my email in this form. Okay. Instead of, here's one of mine right here, right? Where I just ask for the email. Now this works fine, but I get low quality leads a lot of the time and the open rates are low. So for an example, for this one right here, I could instead, I'm giving away a free book here. I could instead ask them if they want a long version of the book or a short version. And just that one click that they do that, well, the two questions, so multiple choice, but that one click that they do qualifies them as a more qualified lead because they've taken that step. So step number one is you need to create something called a lead magnet. So a lead magnet is essentially bringing people in by giving away something for free. Now, instead of explaining all that to you, I'll show you some examples right here. So the example here is from my blog, right? I give away a book. So a completely free book, so free book. The reason why I'm giving away this book is because I want to give away this book in exchange for an email, but I could put a quiz somewhere in there. But the point of this is show the bait. It's called the bait. This one here, they give away Facebook ad templates. Okay, people can download them for free if they give their email. This one here, they're giving away email templates. Okay, download your free templates here. This one here, they're giving away some headline stuff. Okay, so a cheat sheet for writing blog posts that go viral. You can create any type of cheat sheet, any type of book, or even a free video, right? Even a video, a 5-minute video, 2-minute video. You need to create something for free to give away. This is the first step to actually building your email list quicker. You could say, hey, sign up to my email list. Sign up to my weekly notification or something. But people are like, oh, okay, yeah, maybe not. But if you give them something for free, they're definitely going to want to sign up. And for an e-commerce store, for example, instead of saying, hey, sign up to our weekly newsletter, say, hey, sign up to our weekly newsletter and get sent the best deals or coupons or discounts. Okay, you need to give away more than just a newsletter. Okay, people want more. Now, as I talked about, like this one here, we could just simply, as for a quiz for this one, we could just have a quiz here instead of an email and then direct to an email afterwards. We could say, what version do you want? The long version or the short version? So quizzes don't have to be long. Like you don't have to have lots of steps. You can have a simple quiz. Now, the next step is how do you create a quiz and an email form? Now, what I'm going to do, first of all, is I'm going to show you 2 platforms that you can use to actually do this. And then we'll go into how you can actually do this. What you can use is you can use a system called ClickFunnels to do both the emails and the quizzes, okay? This is what I use to do my quizzes, and I'm actually going to give you a free quiz at the end of this video. But what I use for emails is I actually use a system called GetResponse, where I do all my email marketing, and that's where my list is. And I integrate it with ClickFunnels, and I use ClickFunnels as a quiz. Now, this is a bit more expensive. You can do quizzes on just GetResponse, or you can do quizzes and emails on ClickFunnels if you want. You can just use one program, but I use 2. That's how you can set that up. But what I've done, instead of taking you through the process of setting all this up on this video, because I don't actually need to, I have 2 videos you can watch in the description showing you how you can set up all of the email marketing. And then I also have a video, a 20-minute video showing you step by step on how you can set up your own quiz. Okay, so it's all there in the description. But that's the next step. You need to create a lead magnet, and then you need to create a quiz and a funnel. The most important thing here is a quiz, because that's how you're going to get more qualified leads. Now, the next step, guys, we need to talk about traffic. And what this is getting people from the internet into your funnel or email list or quiz, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of all 3 of those things. And most of the time, and this can be a mistake, is people want to always go for free traffic. And free traffic is great, but the problem with free traffic is, number 1, you can get low quality leads. Number 2, it can take a long time. So what I recommend is you go for paid traffic if you want to build a list fast and efficiently. Now, let me kind of explain to you how this works. And I know that $1,000 seems like a lot. First of all, this $1,000 is just an example. You can use $100 for an example, $50, even $1. This is just an example. So let's say you put $1,000 into paid traffic and you make $1,000 back. And let's say you get 500 emails and you paid around about $2 per email out of that 1,000. That's what it works out to be. Your emails are free. As long as your emails are free from paid advertising, it's a win, because you're getting free emails. Yes, you're paying for them, but you're making back enough money to cover that cost, so then it becomes free, and you might even be making some money as well. Now, the reason you want to focus on putting $1 in, or $100 in, or $1,000 or whatever, and making back the same amount of money is because you just want to get your free email leads, okay? Then you can start advertising products to them as time goes on, or whatever you want. Now, you might be asking to yourself, but how do you actually make the $1,000 back? You can set up a funnel where after people give you the email address, you can then start selling products to them, whether it be e-commerce products, affiliate marketing products, your own products, and you can send out emails every day until you make back that money. Then once you make back that money, you have those emails that are essentially free. And then once you're at that break-even point, then you can start advertising whatever you want, or new products of your own or whatever, and then it's profit. Okay, some companies are not profitable for a long time, but you should be able to make profit within a few days or a few weeks, or break even, I should say. But that's what you want to do. You want to build some sort of funnel where you're sending out products every single day automatically. I have videos below on how you can do all of that. But here's some examples here of like some Facebook advertising. So I recommend, first of all, I recommend Facebook and Google for advertising, okay? 2 best places right now. And I've got some tutorials below on how you can do that. Once again, I don't need to show you because I have very in-depth tutorials on how you can do that. But here's some examples of some Facebook ads where people are giving away stuff for free. So here's a free book. Here's another free book. Here's another free book. Here's some free lessons, okay? Another free book. What is this? This is a free training, a free book, a free funnel, and more free stuff, right? These guys and more free stuff here. These guys are giving away free stuff on Facebook ads. And as long as they can spend $1 and make $1 back, they don't care, because they know that those leads and emails are then free, okay? And then they can you got to remember that some of these people on your email list will stay there for years. I get people that purchase stuff from me that have been on my email list since 5, 6, and even 7 years ago. So that's why a proper online business knows how important it is to have an email list, but more importantly, to have an active email list. Now, what I wanted to do is I talked about a free tool in this video. I want you to click the link below in the description. It'll say free tool or something like that, and click Get Instant Access Now, and then do the quiz. Okay, and then put in your email and then go to continue. What this does is it gives you a general idea of how much a quiz can increase your income from if you're doing emails now, right? So let's just take the broad stats here. Let's say right now, so this 30 to 90% cheaper is the average of what a quiz can do for you, okay? And then faster results and stuff. So just keep that in mind. But let's take this for example. These are the standard facts here. Let's say you're paying $2.50 per lead. Right now you're getting about 10 leads per day, and about 5% of those leads are converting into sales. And your current product price is $50, okay? Now, per month, based on those stats, right? You're making no profit just from these basic stats. Now, let's say that we increased this up to around about 30%. So this is what a quiz could save you, 30% cost at a minimum, according to the studies and everything that this guy's done. So you can bring that lead cost from $2.50 down to $1.75. You're then, with the quiz involved, you're then in the profit by $2.28. Now remember, this is not exact science here. This is just a general idea based on studies and facts that these guys have done for this tool. Now let's say that we can increase your leads per day by 3 times. Then that means putting more money in. That means you're now up to $680 profit in a month with the quiz. And let's say we convert about 2% higher, okay? 2 times higher. So now our conversion, well, actually, let's bring that down a little bit to like 1.5. So we've increased sales by 7.5%. Now we're up to 1,825. So that's just a general idea of how much quizzes can actually help you. And what I'd increase it to is kind of like the minimum. And then actually this book right here that you can get down below for completely free as well shows you all the types of quizzes that you can have in different industries and different niches and all that sort of stuff. So you can get all of that below. Okay, like look at this one. This is crazy, the stuff that you can do, but you can really build out these quizzes to really accelerate your business online. But not only that, this one here, I showed you this before. If you go, I'll leave a link for this below as well, free quiz, what type of funnel is right for you. So this will actually take you through what type of funnel is right for your business, okay? So if you want to get into funnels and quizzes and all that sort of stuff, especially quizzes, go and check out the calculator, see how much you can increase your leads and revenue. Go and see what type of funnel is the best for you. And then also download this completely free PDF below. I will leave links to all this in the description. Plus, I'll actually leave a link to one of the quizzes that I use in my business, one of the pages, okay? And you really want to use quizzes in your business. All right, guys, if you want some more free tutorials on how to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how you can start your own business. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right, and get your free goodies below.